Good morning, my little scientists! It was such a bright and sunny morning here at Dr. Coco's Learning Clinic. I just burst through the door, feeling incredibly happy and energized. The moment I stepped onto the floor, I couldn't help myself. I had to dance. Let's make today a fun learning day about how to keep our bodies happy. After my happy dance, I walked over to my desk to prepare for experiments.
That's when I noticed something mysterious sitting right next to my clipboard. A small packet of potato chips.
These chips look tasty, but are they really healthy fuel for us? Let's find out the scientific truth. I carefully placed just one chip under my powerful microscope for a close look. Oh ho! I looked through the lens and saw it immediately. There was too much oil and salt hiding in there. These chips may taste good right now, but eating too many can definitely make us tired and unhealthy. I'll tell you a little secret, kids. Your body is exactly like a high-performance car. If you give it too much junk fuel, it slows down. So eat fruits, veggies, and healthy snacks to stay strong and smart. I quickly wrote in my notebook, today's discovery. Chips plus fun sometimes, but not all the time.
Today's discovery. Chips plus fun sometimes, but not all the time.
I picked up a shiny red apple and announced cheerfully, let's dance for healthy food. Eat smart, move your body, and smile every day. And he started dancing again as the kids watching him laughed and joined in.